What's going on, folks? You ever had a problem with your vehicle, especially like a Chevy Impala, to where when you open up your trunk, it pretty much won't stay open and it just pretty much drops like that? The problem that you're having is actually your hydraulic, I guess it's like hydraulic lifts that's on the side of your trunk that's supposed to hold your trunk open are basically bad. So the issue that you're having is these right here. I have one right here in my hand. These right here are bad right here, and that's the reason why your trunk won't stay open. To replace these are pretty simple. All you basically need is a flathead screwdriver like I have right here, and pop these little rings up. You don't need to actually take them all the way out. All you need to do is pretty much, I'm gonna show you, is take your flathead and kind of put it, you see like a little groove? You can zoom up, take that, kind of hold your trunk open. Hold on. Yeah, take that, kind of hold your trunk up some. Take the end of your flathead right up underneath there and kind of pop out. You don't have to pop it all the way off. You just kind of want to pop it out like that. Turn it, see how that came out? And then once you get this one out, you want to do the same thing at the bottom. You can come down here. You can see right here is like a little spot right here where you can take your screwdriver and do the exact same thing. Remember, you don't have to pop these collars all the way off. It's like little metal collars. Just turn it. Look at it. Turn it, kind of pull it out a little bit, and then to pull like that. And you can see, I'll show you right here what I was doing is, I can show you right here. See that little groove right there? I'm pretty much just taking this small flathead and going right inside that groove and kind of pull it out like that. And if you can look inside of here, you can see like those two little metal ends sticking out. That's what pretty much is holding around your little balls right here. So all you're doing is taking it like that and pulling it out. And if you was to accidentally completely pop this all the way off like this, yeah, I took it all the way off, it'll be really hard for you to get it back on that way. So what you need to do is come, like take it like at the top, almost like a ring you're putting on, put it in a gap. See, I'm squeezing it out, and just kind of squeezing it out like that, and take like a screwdriver, kind of open it up. Yeah, but you can get it back on. You just have to kind of play with it some. Stick one side in, take a screwdriver. You see how I got it now? It's kind of halfway down. And then take your screwdriver, press it, open it up. Kind of like that. See how I got it back on there? It'll be fine. And once you take off your old ones, and if you can see right here, how this one right here, really, they're not that good. They're pressing in very easily. So what I do is I got the new one. It's the same basic process. What you're gonna want to do is you want to have your trunk open. You're gonna want to take the part right here, basically, that's not sticking out. This is the part right here that goes onto the bottom part. This goes to the top. You just want to take that into that, put it on there into the opening, and kind of push it in like I just did. So I just push it in there, and then come down here to the bottom, to this bottom piece, open your trunk up, and you kind of want to do the same thing. See, I just pushed it in there like that, and pretty much you'll be good. And now you'll have two of them. You'll also have one over here on the other side that you'll pretty much want to do the exact same thing to it. Once again, take your screwdriver, kind of pop out. And this one over here is really bad. See how that's going straight down? Means it has no pressure on it. And this is why the trunk probably wasn't working. Same thing on the bottom of it. See how that's doing? That means that's completely bad. And all you want to do now is just take your other one, your new one. You can also get these pretty cheap from like a junkyard. I paid like $8 for both of them total at the junkyard. What they're called are just like hydraulic trunk lifts pretty much. And this is probably the same process for multiple different years of Chevy Impalas, as well as possible like Chevy Cobalts. It's probably the same setup for a lot of different vehicles. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would fix a problem that you may have with your vehicle if the trunk keeps on closing when you open it up. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos and please subscribe. Thanks.